Hello my favorite people, I hope you are doing good. In this video I'm gonna be teaching you how to double or multiply your Blum tokens. Alright, so a lot of people been asking me that they used to see other people with hundreds of thousands of Blum points, but they are only having 100,000, 90,700 or 70,000 to down. So I'm going to tell you the secret behind that. I'm going to tell you the hacks behind that. All right, so first of all, before we dive into the video, before we start, I need you to go and hit that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, because I will keep updating you back to back. All right, so we are going to start with the basics, the ones that you know, before we go to the ones that you didn't know. So we are going to do the ones you know in order to give you more light on that. All right, so first of all, we are going to talk about 5 different things. I know a lot of you knew 3 things, which are going to be the basic one that we're going to talk about first, and later we're going to talk about the new ones, which most of you didn't know about. All right, so please, if you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. Let's dive into it. The first one is we're going to talk about is daily login. So if you want to really have points on this app, you have to be logging daily, which is every single day without skipping any day. That is how you are going to get 2 important things. The first one is you are going to be claiming some points. They are going to be giving you some points. If you log in every day, they are going to give you points to claim. All right, the second thing is drop game tickets. They are going to be giving you drop game tickets. If you log in the first day, they are going to give you 1. If you log in second day, they are going to give you 2. If you log in third time, they're going to give you 3, 4, 5 until you get to 7. That is when they will continue giving you 7 every day. The moment you lose a day without lose, you are going to be getting 1 ticket. You know, you have to start from the beginning, from 1 to 2, 3 to 7. All right, so that's how number 1 work. That one is easy, you all know that, right? So we're going to go for the second thing, which is the Blum task. This one you all know about this one too. Blum task. Okay, Blum task is here. It's Blum task. All right, you go to earn. When you touch this earn here, it's going to brought you here. You see, we have tax here. In here we have different tax. So let's come here. You see, we have the social, we have new, we have on-chain, we have social, we have academy. When you touch this academy, this is where almost all the tags are. You see, so we have, you see, we have many tags. I have done all these tags. Doing this tag is going to increase you in points, definitely. All right, so this, if you need the codes of this video, there are some codes that you need to be put in here. When you play the video, you watch and you're going to get a code and put here. And if you are lazy to watch the video from the beginning till the end, I have made some videos on how to fill this with the codes are there. You can go to my previous video and watch. All right, so this is how to do it. I have done all this. You see, I have on this, I'm done with all these tasks. Tax is one of is going to boost you a lot. All right, the next thing we're going to talk about after tax is the drop game. What is the drop game? Drop game is this game that you play here. When you touch play in here, they're gonna be these Blum points will be dropping, and you'll be tapping with your hands. I don't know, whatever you are using, use it. I'm using my hands, fingers to tap. So this is how you use this drop game. All right, to increase your point. If you are using this drop game, it's gonna help you a lot. All right, so these are the simple ones that you all know. We're gonna go for the hard ones, the ones that you don't know about, the secret, the hacks I'm talking about here. All right, so get ready for this. And please, before we start that, if you know you are new to this channel, I need you to hit that subscribe button. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. All right, let's dive into it. So the last ones we're going to talk about is if you have only 1 account, no referrals, you're going to be getting chicken change. All right, as you can see here, if you have only 1 account, you will easily finish with your drop game tickets. You will finish your drop game ticket. You play all your tasks that is when you will stop getting points. You will stop getting points from that. But if you have referrals, let's touch friends here and see. If you have friends, you see I have friends. I've been claiming this for a very while. This, your friends will be generating tokens for you. Let's read this out, what they write down here. Score 10% from bodies. If someone got 100, you have 10. If someone got 1,000, you have 100. If someone walk and play a drop game and he got like, let me say 10,000, you have 1,000 from that person. Imagine if you have like 100 people as your referrals, and those people are active referrals, they are working, so you're going to be getting 10% from each of them. If one of them get 100,000, you get 10,000 from that person. You get 10,000 from that person. How do you think? That is gonna boost you a lot. All right. And the one thing about that is, the next thing is you'll be getting plus 2.5% from their referrals. Imagine if you refer someone and that's the same person refer other people, like 10 to 20 people, you are going to be getting 2.5% of those people, not him, his referrals also. You are going to be getting 2.5% from them. So try as much as you can when you start a project, when they start a project like this, try and invite your friends. Try and be the one that invite your friends, not be the one that your friends invite. All right, that is going to help a lot. And the last one that most of you didn't know about, this, the last one you don't know about, is multiples. You see, multiples, using multiples is somehow, it can be legal, it can be illegal. Sometimes, you can have multiple accounts in your phone, in one phone. You can have multiple, like from 1 to 50. Some are even having hundreds of different accounts. As long as you can manage them, you can work for that account, you can manage them. Maybe if you are too busy, you can give it to someone to manage it for you. As long as those accounts are not bots, are your accounts, you can. A lot of people are doing that, so I'm not gonna lie. Even Blum knew about it. A lot of people are opening multiple accounts, like 1 to 50 accounts. All right. So if you have, for example, if you have multiple accounts, like from 1 to, for example, if you have 1 to 50, so you get invitation from those your accounts. And if you really have time to work on the project, you can go and start doing the task on those account, 50 account. Imagine if you have 50 active accounts, someone is working on that account, playing the drop game, doing all that, this and that, you're going to be getting 10% from those accounts. And at the end, you might end up getting your airdrop from those accounts. This is what your mentors never tell you about. So I'm telling you what your mentors will never tell you. All right. So like I promise, I will be updating my subscriber. I won't hide anything from my subscribers. All right. If you are my subscriber, just know that I will be updating you back to back. All right. So please, if you are new to this channel, I need you to hit that subscribe button. Go and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question you want to ask, go straight to the comment section and ask. I'm going to explain more in detail for you. All right. So thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, go and hit that subscribe button.